So guys, yes, welcome to today's live intraday trading. So we are short selling tech cam now in the market level around 1073 to 1072 level. So yes, right now we just short sold. So let's see how the stock will perform. Okay, so this is the today's live intraday trading, guys. So we are trading on tech cam. So I have short sold tech cam. So you can see this is the first 15 minutes candle. So it's a very big 15 minutes candle which is showing a lot of sellers in this candle. Okay, you can see that is the buyers are quite less. Okay, so by seeing the candle strength I have decided that it is a sell level, so I have short sold now. So let's see how the stock will perform. And also this was the stock what I selected in yesterday's video of live market and the market analysis video what I have done. So according to that I'm trading. So this has touched one of a resistance level and it has come down. So let's see how the stock will perform. Okay, and I'm planning to get like 5 to 6 points target, and once I take my exit I'll update you guys. So this is the logic behind the trade. Okay, so let's see how it will perform. And you can see in the market depth also the sellers are more. Okay, so the sellers are more and the buyers are a bit less, and the market is just at 0.30% up, not much of a bullish in the market side also. So let's see how it will perform. So if you guys are new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. I'll teach you the simple and unique strategies to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support for the course. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So okay, just now back to trading. So as you guys can see, the stock has made a low of 1070.50, and now it has taken some of a key support, and from there it is trying to bounce back. But again you can see there are more sellers here, and the buyers has come up. You can see in the market depth also the buyers has come up, but the same way the sellers are also as increased. So that's the reason the stock might go up a bit and come down, but we need to have patience and wait. Okay, so now if you guys can see, this is the third 15 minutes candle and it's giving a breakout here. So the low of 1070 is given a breakout, and now the low made is 1069 almost. So we are getting closer to the targets. So let's see how the stock will perform now as it has made a new low. And once I take my exit I'll update you guys. So until that you can see the live trade how the stock will perform. So you can see 1068.50 is a new low what it has made now. So yes, the movement is a bit quicker here. So let's wait for it, and once I take my exit I'll update you guys. So until that you can see the live trade how the stock will perform. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, the stock has come down and made a low of 1065.25, and the market was still there, it was still stable. The market was not going bullish, so that's why I decided to go short sell in this. So even yesterday in my market analysis video, I said this stock, so on the same levels we have traded by seeing the resistance support level. So we tested some of the resistance levels, so we have taken a sell and our target is achieved. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of TechM, and also this trade was given to my clients who was joined also, and they have also made a profit. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, and to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today in intraday trading. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.